What up? Welcome back to another video here at Delicious Seafood, where I see the food, try it out, rate it. Welcome you to see the food with me, and then you can decide whether you want to go out there or try it or not. Today I'll be trying Kinder's BBQ, located in Concord, California. What I got today was a three-way combo. So basically what a three-way combo is, it's 3 different types of meats, 2 sides. You can either get it a 1-way, 2-way, or a 3-way. I feel like 1-way is kind of lonely to be by yourself. 2-way is cool, but 3-way is definitely more fun. So what I ended up getting was the marinated ball tip, tequila lime ribs, and then the chicken. Two sides, potato salad, and some baked beans with cheese on top. So this looks good. What I've noticed is the portions got a little bit less. I've been going to this place for a while now. They started using these paper to-go now, and the 2 sides on this separately. Used to come in a styrofoam to-go box. Portions for this is a little bit less, but I guess you get more sides now that this container is a little bit bigger than what you would for a styrofoam box where they put the sides. The ball tip is a hit or miss. Sometimes I feel like it's more charred on the sides, which I like. Today's looks kind of not as charred. And the hell's this? All right. Ribs are good. I always get the ribs. And the chicken, they asked if I wanted white or dark. I said dark, so the dark ended up being a little smaller. Tell me what you think. Would you prefer white or dark meat? Honestly, I prefer dark meat, but I just hate how it's smaller. So, depending on how it's cooked, I might ask for the white just to get more meat, right? A tater salad, very good. Baked beans. They asked if you want the cheese on top. You can request without the cheese. Also, yeah, the tequila lime ribs, you can get, instead of the tequila lime, you can just get regular barbecue. Now for the sauces, Kinder's is known for their sauces, right? So they got plenty of different types of barbecue sauce. I ended up getting the mild, Cali Gold. A tip, you got to get the fry sauce. Fry sauce is good. So this was about $21 and change. You know, barbecue is expensive, but it's good. I would rate it 9 out of 10. Definitely go back again. It's definitely a place that I definitely enjoy. Let me take a look at this. Let's do the scratch and sniff test first. Smells good. All right. Let's take a look at this now. Oh, this hidden gem over here. What do you think this is? A burrito or a sandwich? Sandwich. So I got the ribeye sandwich. Ribeye sandwich, I believe, was about $17. Portions got smaller, I think. Well, it's all in your eyes, right? That's why we see food. Sometimes they use bigger bread and it makes you feel like the food is bigger, right? But in reality, you're getting less meat in the inside, but you're just getting more bread. So, I mean, if I was to open up a sandwich shop, I'll just make the bread bigger. How would they know? All right, let's take a look. Kinder's ribeye sandwich. Comes with tomatoes, lettuce, mayo, and a whole barbecue sauce on the bottom. Take a look at that ribeye. Scratch and sniff. Smells great. I can't really find any other place that has a ribeye sandwich like this. The steak sandwiches that I've tried doesn't compare. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I would definitely continue going back here for the ribeye sandwich. If you know of any other ribeye sandwich places that are better than this, that actually uses a steak that seems like you could eat by itself on a plate, then let me know in the comments. But this kind of steak you can eat on a plate, but surprisingly, you can also eat on a sandwich. You can actually bite through it. So 10 out of 10 for this. Let me know what you think. Kinder's. Again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.